Hi everyone, I'm Vandana Rai from Immigration Advisors New Zealand, and I'm making this video to give a bit of information on the recent changes announced today on 28th of February 2023 for partners' work rights. So I'm getting a lot of questions and I thought I'll provide a bit of clarification here. So the changes that have been announced for partners' work rights, what are these and who will this impact? I'll try and explain. So these changes will come into effect from 31st of May 2023, and any partner of accredited employer work visa holder or partner of essential skills work visa holders, or most of the partners of these two categories, may be impacted. What are the visa conditions that are changed? So currently when partners get a partnership-based work visa, they have open work conditions. So the announcement says that after 31st of May 2023, the conditions would be open, but they can only work for an accredited employer. They could change employers without the need to change the visa. They can only work for an accredited employer. And they can only work in an employment if they are paid at median wage rate. So the current median wage rate is 29.66 New Zealand dollars an hour. So the wage rate has to be a median wage rate, or and for an employment which is covered by a sector agreement. So these are just few major changes. They don't need a job offer to apply for a partner's work visa, and they don't need a new visa when they change employers, but yes, they would have to work meeting these conditions. The partners will have two options. If they have a job offer, definitely they can apply for their own visa, but if not, they still have an option. Some good news and some relief there, because the speculations were, or the way the last announcement was made, it seemed that partners may not have work rights. So at least that is not true, based on this announcement. So partners do have work rights, just that they would have to meet with one of these conditions. And related questions. So migrants who are not covered or who will not be impacted. So migrant workers on accredited employer work visa or essential skills who are working in an occupation which is listed in the green list, or who are being paid twice the median wage rate, their partners will not be impacted with this change. Again, we're getting similar questions from partners of students studying master's program, asking, will my partner be impacted? Will my partner also need to get a salary of 29.66 or median wage rate? So based on the announcement, the answer is no. This policy doesn't impact partners of student visa holders who may have work rights. So their work rights remain the same. Another set of questions from a different group is partners of post-study work visa holders. So the way the announcement has been made, it doesn't impact partners of post-study work visa holders. And we also keep getting questions from residents and citizens. So again, this new announcement or the policy change impacting partners of migrant workers doesn't impact partners of residents and citizens. So partners of residents and citizens, if they're meeting partnership instructions, and they would still be able to apply for a partnership-based work visa even after 31st of May. If they apply, their conditions would remain the same. Few questions again like we're getting is, my partner already holds a partnership-based work visa, so does it mean that suddenly from 31st of May they're not able to work for any employer, they're not able to work for a wage which is being paid less than median? So no, it doesn't happen that way. So if somebody is holding a partnership-based work visa, the conditions which are listed on that work visa would remain true till the time this visa expires, or till the time you apply for a new visa. And if you apply for a new visa and that new visa is for a partner of an accredited employer work visa, and the application is made after 31st of May, then yes, this announcement may impact you, so you should be aware of that. And partners of work visa holders, accredited employer and essential skills. If you are already in partnership and if your partner already holds a a job offer or your partner already is on accredited employer work visa, then it does make sense that you apply for your partner of a worker work visa before 31st of May if that is a possibility. So what that would mean is then you would still be able to work on an open work visa, any employer, any number of hours, and on any wage rate, and the length of the visa granted would be the same as the partner's work visa length. So for those who have the option of applying, then it is in your interest to apply before 31st of May 2023, so the new rules do not impact you. And for those who do not have the option of applying before or are concerned on how this change impacts you, again, do contact us if you need more clarification in this space. We would be happy to either assist you in applying on priority before the changes happen or provide clarification if you have, just so that you know what your pathway is. Thank you so much.